Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M PTE NAATI YouTube channel. This is Manmohan. In today's video, I am going to share my understanding of the listening module and how to manage time in the listening part because of the recent changes that have happened. I did upload a video of listening time management back in the day, but now since we know that the duration of the exam has changed from 3 hours to 2 hours, let's see in this video, based on the number of questions and based on the importance of topics, how much time we should be giving towards these topics now. So as you can see, these are the topics of your listening module. So topics itself haven't changed at all in terms of scoring, in terms of the way we attempt these topics. But the major change is, first of all, the number of questions and also the amount of time that you get in the listening part now. For these topics, for summarize spoken text, previously we used to get 2 to 3 questions. Now it has reduced to 1 to 2. So maximum you will always get 2. You will never get 3 now. Also, there is a chance that you will only get 1 summarized spoken text. For multiple choice, multiple answers, same. From 2 to 3, it has reduced to 1 to 2. Select missing words, again 2 to 3 to 1 to 2. Multiple choice single answer, again 2 to 3 to 1 to 2 now. Fill in the blanks listening hasn't changed. It's still 2 to 3. Highlight correct summary is reduced from 2 to 3 to 1 to 2. Highlight incorrect words is still the same, 2 to 3. And write from dictation, 3 to 4 is still 3 to 4. So if you just kind of try to understand what Pearson has actually done, they have not changed the number of questions for the topics which are actually important in the exam. So they've kept the number of questions same, but they've reduced the number of questions for those topics where the topics were not that important. So they're kind of giving us a hint of, what to expect in the real exam now. Now, if you add up all these numbers, we were getting 15 to 22 questions before. Now it has reduced to 12 to 20 questions only. Previously, we used to get anywhere between 23 to 28 minutes. Now let me clarify one thing. I'm not talking about the time management of summarized spoken text here, because we know in summarized spoken text, you get 10 minutes per question. So that remains unchanged, and that is separate time for every single question. Time management starts once you move to the next topic, which is multiple choice, multiple answer, up until write from dictation, which is the very last topic. So 23 to 28 minutes has now reduced to 20 to 23 minutes. So basically my point here is, now you would be getting anywhere between 12 to 20 questions, and for that you would be getting 20 to 23 minutes. So they are not giving you even 2 minutes per question, even less than that. So based on the importance of these topics, we need to manage our time according to that. So let's start with multiple choice, multiple answer. We know that these topics, multiple choice, multiple answer, and also multiple choice, single answer, they are not important. And if the topics are not important, doesn't matter how eager you want to attempt them, we should not be giving any time towards these topics. Now, when I say 0 second per question, what I'm trying to say is, during the audio, now first of all, in the listening module, in any topic, you cannot skip the audio. You have to listen to the complete audio. You cannot move to the next question. During the audio being played, select something. Could be right answer, could be wrong answer, doesn't matter. Select something so that the moment that audio stops, you just click on the next button and you move towards the next question. Topics are not important. They literally carry 0 marks, both of these topics. So if a topic is carrying 0 marks, I would prefer not giving any time towards those topics. For select missing words, we know again they are only worth 1 mark per 1 question. So I would prefer giving no more than 10 seconds per question after the audio is completed. So once that audio has finished, within 10 seconds, you should be able to select something. Again, it could be right, wrong, that is all up to you. But once those 10 seconds are over, you have to take up that discipline and move towards the next question. Otherwise, you will struggle towards the most important topics in the listening module. For fill in the blanks listening, the number of questions are not changed. So prefer still giving the same amount of time towards it, because we don't want to rush these kind of topics. They're very important. So prefer once the audio is completed, you have taken your notes, To transfer all the words, to type all the words on the screen, prefer taking between 30 to 35 seconds and then move towards the next question. Highlight correct summary. Again, it's not that important. It's 1 mark per one question. But since the options are very lengthy, prefer not giving more than 30 seconds. But anything less than that, you're basically guessing the answer. So within 30 seconds, try to read out the option, see which option sounds the best according to you, which denotes the best summary of the audio. Select that and move on towards the next question. Highlight incorrect words. Now, very important, but again, we are not giving it more than 0 seconds per question. Because if you have attempted highlight incorrect words before, or if you have watched our highlight incorrect words latest method video, you would know how this topic works. During the audio, you have to highlight the words which are incorrect. So once that audio has completed, you cannot listen to the audio again. That's one thing. And once that audio is completed, there's no point staying on the paragraph, staring at it, trying to recap, oh, should I select this word or not? Because it's too late for that. You have already selected your words. The moment that audio finishes, just click on the next button and move towards the next question. Now, last but not the least is my most favorite topic, which is write from dictation. And the number of questions haven't reduced. That's why we want to give it roughly about 2 minutes per question. Now, if you follow all the times that I've given you up here, if you follow all these times correctly, trust me, you will have more than enough time for your write from dictation. You will never run out of time. And that is when we would be giving about 2 minutes per question. If you haven't already, do watch our write from dictation latest method video. If you scroll down our playlist, you would be able to find write from dictation video. Watch that, understand how to take notes on that, understand how to master that topic in the shortest time frame possible, so that when you give those 2 minutes per question, you are aiming for not 50%, not 90% even, you're aiming for 100% sentence. 100% means not making even a single mistake. Each word is worth 1 mark in listening and 1 mark in writing. Write from dictation topic is roughly about 30 to 40 marks out of 90, both in listening and writing. So this is no joke. I cannot take write from dictation for granted. I have to take that topic seriously. So this was the time management that I wanted you guys to use and utilize, so that even if the duration of the exam has reduced, you know these are the important topics, you know these are not the important topics. Based on that, you should be able to manage your time properly, and you will never ever run out of time if you follow these time frames that I've just given you. So that's it for this video. But like we always say, if you do need any sort of additional support, do message us on Instagram or Facebook. The name is literally M&MM-PT NAATI. The links for all our social media profiles are in the description. Do message us over there. We do run one-on-one consultations, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Online, no one else, just one-on-one, so that you can ask your doubts, any of the doubts that you have. If you need any sort of feedback on your speaking, you can do so. If you need any sort of queries answered, if you need to understand a specific topic, everything and anything can be discussed in those consultations, so you can book one with us. Also, if you or any of your friends are going to give your NAATI exam soon, could be NAATI Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, we are providing coaching for that also at the moment. Also, if you just need the prediction files for either of these topics, either NAATI Hindi, NAATI Punjabi or even NAATI Gujarati, do message us again on Instagram or Facebook. We have got all the prediction files ready, which has got about 20-25 most repeated dialogues of all time, which do have a high chance of getting repeated. So do message us over there so we can take the conversation ahead. Also, if you have any sort of doubts or any sort of questions, do leave them in the comment section below, and me and Mohit will try to reply all of you as quickly as possible. So that's it from me. Have a great day. If you have got your exams coming soon, all the very best. Take care, stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video.